es realmente muy delicioso. Amigo, amigas, vamos. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry guys. Na-miss ko lang ang aking cooking. For today's vlog, I'm going to make a Spain recipe in Japanese style, and it is called the paella. Wow! Yes guys, I'm going to make paella. Ole! So, what are we waiting for? Vamos! Okay guys, let's cut all the vegetables. We have the onion, finely chop it, garlic, finely chop it also. We will use also a red paprika and a yellow paprika to make our paella colorful. It's gonna be a yummy paella, guys. I will use the chicken breast and I will remove the extra skin of the chicken to make our paella healthy. Then let's devein the shrimp. Look at this, guys. You have to remove this. I will use also the asari or Japanese clam. Then I will use the Japanese rice, the koshi hikari. Wash the rice and set aside to drain the excess water. In making a paella, usually skillet are being used, but today I don't have a skillet, so I will use this fry pan. So you can use your fry pan too, guys, if you don't have the skillet. So let's start cooking, guys. For the meantime, let's dance again, guys. Back in cooking, guys. And for the finale, guys, the lemon and the parsley. Yay! Hayako tabitai! Delicioso! Wow! Oishii! Yummy, guys! Yes, yummy! Yummy. Good. I hope you like our recipe today. Try to make this paella. This is really good, guys, and easy to make. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne! Gracias, amigos, amigas!